Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence, sir, in our last videos we covered up to 5 questions. Now the sixth question here is how to represent, how to represent Boolean values, how to represent Boolean values in Python, how to represent Boolean values in Python. As you know, in Python, we have a separate data type is there to represent Boolean value. So what is that data type? It is of type class bool, like this we have. So which values are allowed? The only allowed values are you can take a true and false. In that T must be capital letter, F must be capital letter. So if you are trying to take a small letters, we are going to get error. Okay, like that we have. If you want, let us cross check by taking one simple example. Now I am taking A is equal to true, B is equal to false. No other values are permitted other than these two. I am printing A and I am checking type of A. I am printing B and I am checking type of B. Both are Boolean, right? Definitely it is going to return the type is always Boolean. I think you got very clear idea. Now my question here is, listen carefully. Sir, these Boolean values, there is one different way is there to represent. One is we can take either true in capital letters, false in F capital letter, like that. But internally, sir, internally, based on requirement, these Boolean values are converted. These Boolean values are converted into integers depending on the situation. If you want, I will show you what is that situation. Sir, assume the same example I am taking. If we are trying to print A, we will get a true. If we are trying to print B, we will get a false. That we know already. But sir, listen, I am trying to take A plus B. Sir, it is an illegal operation because is it possible to add true plus false? Highly impossible because these are the Boolean types. But please make sure in such a type of situations, Python internally converts this true into 1 and this false into 0 and it evaluates. So the expected output is 1. Sir, you are telling different numbers, that's why, so magically it is working. No, if you want, you can take A plus A, the output should become 2. If you want, you can check. Yes. Sir, even if you are trying to take, okay, so A into B. Sir, what will happen? We are going to get 1 into 0. What will be your output? 0. Like this we have. So based on our requirement, sometimes these Boolean values are converted into integer types. These Boolean and integers are best friends. But please make sure note number 1. Sir, Boolean to integer is allowed, but integer to Boolean is not allowed. We can't reverse this, but only Boolean to integer we can able to do. This is nothing but what we have. Okay, so I think you understood this sixth question, how we can able to represent Boolean values in Python. Okay, the only one way is nothing but you have to use true and false. No other ways are there. Okay, thank you friends.